Come on, Zane. Get back, Daddy. Get back. Oh, good girl. Are they both girls?
Yep.
Get back. Good girl. Meadow. Come on, girl. Oh, get back, Danny. Get back.
Meadow. Come on.
All right, so we're going to put her on level 1.
Okay. Meadow.
Here, you might want to help. I don't want to get bit.
She won't bite you. Oh, come here.
I've only been bit by one of those little Dotson. Come here, buddy. Okay, so that's level 1. And when she walks into it, she should feel this one. If not, I might have to get her one smaller collar. Come here, Xander. Now hold her tight. She's just getting a warning. Now, if she takes another step or two, get back. Oh, see, she got that. Good girl.
Meadow.
But if she really wants to, she can run out of that. So we're going to go to level 2.
All right. Oh, come here.
She's like, no, I just felt that. Come here, buddy. I'm sorry. Okay. That's level 2. Oh, sorry, I was just trying to get your collar fixed. All right, come on. All right, so now she's going to start learning that little beat beforehand is a warning. Xander, watch out. Good girl. See? She took a step back. Come here, Xander. Oh, get back. Good girl. See, now that's a little verbal reaction. That's a little more. I think we can train her on that. Xander, look here. Look here, buddy.
That's Oreo.
Oh, Oreo, watch out. Watch out, Oreo. Look, watch out. Watch out for these. Come on, let's go. See, now even she's stopping after seeing her.
Right.
Come on, Xander. Here we go. Come over here. Come back, Meadow. He's gonna trick it. Xander. Good girl. Xander. Come here, Xander. Xander, see how she's not even. Oh, get back. Xander. Damn, Oreo, sorry. Oreo, watch out, buddy. Oreo, watch out. You gotta get back. Oh, let's go. Watch out, Oreo.
Come on.
See, a couple more down, she's gonna start realizing. Come here, Oreo. You wanna come over here? No, you see that flag. Good girl.
Meadow.
Oreo. Get back. Oreo. Watch out. You gotta get back. Good girl. Come on, Oreo. You got this. What we're looking out for here. Oreo, watch out. You gotta get back. Good girl.
Thank you, fucker. Meadow.
Come on, Oreo. Come here, girl. Come here, Oreo.
Come on.
Watch out. Get back. Good girl. Oreo, watch out. Oreo, yeah, get back from these. Now we're going to swap.
Okay.
Now that you're her owner, she should, more liable to come to you than me. You walk on the other side of that.
All right, come on.
Get back, Oreo.
Get back.
Good girl. Oreo, look. Look, Oreo. Oreo, watch out. Oreo, watch out. See if she really wants to. I might have to go up one more. Get over here. Yeah, pick a side, baby. Come on, get out of the way. girl. Now, come on, let's run. Run. Come on. Woo. Yeah, watch out. Come on, Oreo. Oreo, look. Look, you want to watch out here, buddy.
Oreo.
Oreo. See, she's here on the beat. Get back. Good girl. Oreo, watch out here, buddy. Can't get stuck there. You gotta take a side, okay? Come on, let's go. You got it. Now shake that flag at her and call her to you.
Oreo. Oreo. Oreo, watch the flag. Oreo. Watch the flag. You don't want to go towards the flag.
Yeah, come on, let's keep walking, Oreo. Come on, let's go. We've never had this before, huh? This collar.
Come on, Oreo. Oreo, come on.
Oh, get back, Oreo.
Get back. Get back. Get back. You'll get zapped.
Get back. Good girl. Shake that flag at her because she got it. Yeah, Oreo, look. You gotta watch out. Get back.
Yeah.
Come on, Oreo. Let's go. And then it's the flag.
Come on, Oreo.
I don't want to pull on you. Come on, girl. Watch out. Oreo, look. Look, Oreo.
Yeah, Oreo, look.
Oreo, look. You gotta watch out here, buddy. Watch out. Yeah, buddy.
Come on, Oreo.